Hey, good morning everyone. I just woke up there a few minutes ago, and one of the first things that I always do after waking up is I pour a big glass of water, and I will often squirt some lemon juice into it. It not only tastes good, but I find it really refreshing, and I like seeing the color yellow. The yellow is quite an energetic color, and it's kind of a nice way to start the day, seeing something bright like this. And speaking of bright, I just want to flip the camera around here for a minute. As you can see, there's a lot of color on this counter. I think it's very appealing for the eyes, and I think all this stuff here tastes really good. So in this cup, I've got some fresh fruit juice, aka coffee. I love drinking coffee. I love the way it smells, the way it tastes, the way it makes me feel. And in these bowls, I have quite a lot of fruit. I've got some frozen blueberries, some frozen strawberries, and some mango. In a previous video, I've talked about the benefits of frozen fruit versus fresh fruit. So I'm going to be having a hard workout, and afterwards I'll come home, I'll shower, and then I like to get some fresh fruit into me for the vitamin C and some of the nutrients. And I just think it tastes really nice on an empty stomach. I'm actually colorblind, so I don't know, maybe there's something about the colors that I just find extremely attractive, but I think most people like colors. Alright, so a really bright way to start the day. Yesterday I had a little pineapple, some blueberry, and raspberries. And one of my staples.